Hi, Heather from Victoriam Solutions here. Today, I want to show you how to build a dynamic kit product for your B2B commerce storefront. Salesforce B2B Commerce empowers organizations to create dynamic purchasing storefronts for their business customers. Suppliers become easily accessible to their customers, and ordering or reordering your products can be accomplished in just a few clicks. It connects the power of CRM and ERP solutions with a storefront that allows you to purchase large orders, buy at contracted rates or from a specified product list, build a product kit before purchasing, and pay with a credit card, ACH, or purchase order. Let's look into building a dynamic product kit that will allow your customer to create their own pairing of products by selecting specific options guided by you. We'll look at the dynamic product kit first. This will be your main product item that shows up on the storefront. First, you'll set up some standard information such as your product type, your product status, as well as set the storefront where you want your product to appear. Moving on to the related list, you'll see the related composite products that make up the options that your customer can select between while building their kit. Another key feature are the product guides. These help group your composite products into selection categories on the product description page. This will all make more sense when we look at the storefront, but just keep in mind, these two key features drive the user experience behind building a dynamic kit. The important part is that this will help you as a supplier define which options are available to your customer and which selections are required. Now that we've looked at the setup, let's move over to the storefront to see how this product appears on your page. Here we've selected the dynamic product kit we first saw behind the scenes. You can see your product image, as well as the different composite products grouped into all of the product guides that we saw. Some composite products allow for you to select multiples, and in some product guides, only a single selection is allowed. As you build your kit, you can then select to add to your cart. And once in your cart, you can see that the price is now updated to the price of all of the composite products that were added. And I can view those included items yet again here in my cart and confirm before purchasing. That was a quick overview, so I hope you enjoyed learning more about B2B commerce today and how these options give your customer a variety of choices to buy directly from your site. Thanks for watching.